Let's talk about making a super simple soil mix that's actually really powerful for your pots, containers, and even garden beds. You don't need anything fancy or expensive, just a few things that you probably already have lying around. So let's not waste any more time. Here's how we do it. First, we start with some loamy soil. Now, if you're wondering what that means, it's just soil that's not too hard like clay, and not too loose like sand. It's kind of in between. It holds water well but still drains properly, which is exactly what plants love. If you don't have fresh loamy soil, no worries. You can totally reuse potting soil from last season. Just break it up and remove any big roots or debris. We're going to breathe new life into it anyway. Next up, vermicompost. Ours has actual living worms in it. Yes, worms! And that's a good thing. Worms are like tiny farmers. They break down organic material and leave behind rich castings that make the soil incredibly fertile. We're adding about 30% vermicompost to our mix. If you don't have this exact thing, regular compost or even aged manure will still do the job. The main idea is to feed the soil with something that's alive and nutrient-packed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Kitchen waste. Most people throw it out, but we're turning it into plant food. Once you've got your ingredients ready, it's time to mix everything really well. Use your hands or a small shovel and mix until it all looks even. In today's mix, we've got banana peels, mango skins, onion peels, and a few other veggie scraps. These break down pretty fast in the soil and give your plants a ton of useful stuff. Banana peels are full of potassium, which helps plants grow strong and bloom more. Mango peels are sweet and full of trace minerals, and onion peels have calcium and potassium. All these kitchen scraps attract helpful microbes and worms, and that keeps the soil full of life. After mixing, you'll notice the soil becomes soft, dark, and fluffy, like chocolate cake. That's a great sign. It means it's full of organic matter and ready to give your plants a healthy start. Now grab your container. Make sure it has holes at the bottom. Super important. If there's no drainage, your roots will sit in water and eventually rot. If your container doesn't already have holes, just poke some in with a screwdriver or any sharp tool. Once you've got that sorted, start filling it up with your soil mix. Don't press it down too hard. Just tap it gently to remove big air pockets, but leave it light and breathable. Before we plant anything, there's one last step, adding a final layer of vermicompost on top. This acts like a little mulch and slow-release fertilizer. It keeps moisture in the soil and gently feeds the young plants as they settle in. It's like giving them a soft, cozy blanket full of nutrients. That top layer can really make a big difference, especially in the early days of planting. And just like that, your container is ready. You can plant your seeds or seedlings right away. Tomatoes, herbs, flowers, anything you like, they'll love this mix. You didn't use any chemicals or synthetic fertilizers. Everything was natural, and most of it came from things you already had at home. What's really awesome about this soil mix is that it keeps getting better. The worms keep working, the scraps keep breaking down, and the soil becomes richer with time. You can even add more kitchen waste every few weeks to keep things going. Your plants will thank you with greener leaves, more flowers, and healthier growth. So the next time you peel a banana or toss out some onion skins, remember, that's not trash. That's future plant food. Give this mix a try and see how your garden responds. If this video helped you out, check out our channel for more cool gardening ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share it with your garden-loving friends. Let's grow naturally and make the most of what we already have.